Hi people, Simon speaking. Today I want to try to export a shaders because I created bubbles and I would like to export material. Again, seeing this compilation may take time. Okay, the thing is I want to export PBR shaders. Why does view works too slow? Because you wondered if this is possible. Okay, we can create node, make a group. So solve bubbles. You can go inside. I just was thinking if this is possible to export. The only thing which comes to my mind. When you go to external data, you can consider this. I don't necessarily need all of the objects, but I have good idea what I can do. Because I done this in the past. Because we have got a name of the material, and when I go to the scene, to default scene, I will try to import material. I believe you're supposed to do hold the shift up and end some bubbles and material, and we have this. I think what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to wait because charger is compiling. Sometimes it takes a little longer. The best option is to save as blend file, and you can append to this material. By default I have EV. I have to switch to cyclist, view art. Film mat. This is name of the file. You can import a file because you can find name of the shader inside the file Blender and how it is connected. You can also enable node run the add-on. I didn't really use this utility, but I will have to study this. Oh, what is this? I have to check this. But I believe it can be useful, and I will show you something in a minute, something important. Oh no, I didn't turn read on floor. lower world of a city strand. Okay, we can save material. We have got thin film material, but I have to add sky texture because you can see what I do. Okay, you can see I successfully imported material air test. So then sun intensity, sun rotation. Give me a few seconds. Sun size, sun intensity, sun rotation. So we can clearly see our material, what I imported, because this is a new type of material, what I used before. So you can successfully import materials to your scene, and I would like to add a bevel modifier in a minute, shade smooth, and apply tail, and generate bevel. So you can see corners of the material, and I can check something. Okay, but I still prefer to go to shading editor to check for material property of the material. We can see thin, thin film, index of refraction. You can always play around it with some settings because we connected to thickness because I was creating so bubbles people. Now I have got like ice cube, or you can see how beautiful it looks. And what I didn't add floor to the scene, but I can always change some settings here. I can see some patterns also. Just I have to decrease this. Uh, okay, this is how you import and export materials. You just have to save the scene, but make sure if you have texture, you have to select option automatically back resources. I would like to switch to object mode. We are in shader editor, so you can select all nodes all together, and you can make group. But make sure you quit of the group, and you can create so thin film in matte. I hope you like my video tutorial. This is like ice cube, but I will add plane. Anytime when you watch YouTube video tutorial, you can create your own custom shader and you can save it to blend file, and you can go inside blend file. Okay, I have to check something. View, lock to 3D cursor. I like that feature. And now I can, in a minute, I would like to test render, but sky is too bright. World. And I wanted to say have a nice day, and I would like to check animation and render resolution. The thing is, I don't want to use 4K because it's not necessary at the moment, because I only want to render this to show to you how material will look like after importing. Oh, I would like to use this, but I wish I could use depth of field. At the moment, I have to focus on rendering the scene. Only the material alone. Only the material alone. Because in previous video tutorial I created thin film, and I wanted this to be more visible while switching this. They can clearly see. Okay. You can see it looks more beautiful after when I switch to Chrono PBR neutral. This is different uh, for the scene. If you want to render the scene, okay, let's render material. No, too high. I don't need that high value. If you have new blend file, new scene, make sure you switch to this one. Oh, we also have optics. I think this of Kuga is also as well good, but optics is not necessarily good because I don't want to go into details because I don't have time to talk about this. Okay, I would like to use denoise. An image denoise. Now it takes advantage of a graphics card high quality because I want to render only the material. That's it. So you can see my custom shader which I imported to the scene. Why this doesn't have edges? Okay, this I need to select. Or the display, wireframe. Oh, this is why we could not see all edges. Now I will use revert. This will delete previous operations. Oh, I will render final image so you can see custom shader what I imported because I used that custom shader to create soap bubbles, but I would like to export this before I publish video tutorial how to export custom shaders and how to import custom PBR shaders. Because this is completely brand new scene, but I appended material to the scene. JPG, I have to use lower value because as a thumbnail for YouTube video review. solvable again, and I get to export one as a texture compression none. I wish I could render to 4K resolution, but I don't really have time. This topic was mainly about how to export custom shaders, and I will check the sunlight. Only two. By default, the sun is not visible by cycles. So you could see edges of the material. Let's render once again. I should finish this video tutorial, but I activated light in the scene. So you can see beautiful reflection. Okay, I don't want to talk too much, and I would like to say this is the way how you import materials. You hold the shift, then you go to file and you have to make sure you go inside blend file. And you can easily import material. In the past, I didn't think about that. I was thinking about easy way, but hopefully this video will help you. See you guys.